Hi, I'm Steve Muylle. I'm a professor and partner at Vlerick Business School, and I'm closely involved in our Digital Transformation Club. We have two great companies, Collibra and Workday, that will share their challenges with you and where we will ask you to actively participate to address these challenges. So we will ask Stijn Christiaens, the co-founder and chief technology officer of Collibra. And as you know, that's a pretty young company, but already they're a unicorn. They're a fantastic company, Belgian company, who actually kind of has grown very strong with respect to offering a product for the chief data officer. Now, while we're going to look at their concrete challenges, we're going to generalize this to the context of scale-ups. So what we're going to do is we're going to have Stijn share his challenges, and then we're going to do a reality check. The check is going to be done with Byrne, who's the Senior Vice President of Workday. And actually, she was employee number 45. So she lived through this. And she actually already lived through this before when she was at PeopleSoft. So we will ask her, we will pick her brain. This company is already worth over 50 billion US dollars. Now, with that knowledge, we will ask you to break out in groups and to actually come up with some great ideas to address the challenges that Stijn has shared with you. We'll have you co-create, think, ideate, brainstorm, and then come back and share all of that. And you will get some real feedback, obviously, from Stijn and from Chris on your ideas. So please join me, and I really look forward to having this wonderful event with two top-notch companies in our Vlerick community.